Hi, it's Andrew from STS with another tech tip for you this week. Today we're going to quickly show you 5 add-ons for Google Chrome that are going to completely ramp up the power of your existing Chrome install. So starting right off with the first on our list, and that's LastPass. This add-on's not only going to remember all of your favorite website passwords for you, but it's going to link these with a LastPass account. This means if you ever want to move to another computer, you just got to remember your LastPass password and you'll get access to your entire list of passwords. So over to our next add-on, Auto Pagerize. This one's going to let you say goodbye to next page buttons, and instead you can just keep scrolling down the page to automatically show you the next several pages onward on the site. Not only is this really great for Google results, it works on almost any site with a next page function. And the next one on our list is uBlock Origin. Now, this add-on is going to block or stop almost every annoying ad or pop-up you're going to find on a site. This is probably the most useful add-on on our whole list, and you're not even going to notice it half the time. If you ever need to actually allow ads for some reason, just click on the big blue button in the top corner. Our next add-on is Turn Off the Lights. This one's great anytime you're watching a video on the net. Just click the add-ons in the top corner there to turn off the lights, and whatever video's on the screen is going to immediately come into focus. This really allows you to concentrate on whatever it is you're watching. So the last add-on we're going to show you today is Mercury Reader. This is a much better way for Chrome to look at articles on websites. Basically, it's going to remove all of that annoying formatting that normally breaks up the article and the ads that kind of get stuffed in your face there. And it's going to leave you with a beautifully formatted article that's much easier to read through. And with that, we will end our tech tip for today. All the add-ons we showed you today can be found on the Google Chrome Web Store. To get here in your browser, just go to chrome.google.com/webstore. As always, if you'd like to learn some more about Sydney Tech and some of the free training we have available every month, visit our website at www.sydneytech.com.au. Thanks for watching and see you next week.